welcome back, my dear students. So let's keep going with our application. Let's keep rewriting more URLs. So we have the front page mostly working, right? Now the only thing that we need to do is replace these links, right? Because as you saw there, when I click here, it takes me to index.php. So what you might want to do is you want to go to your header, whatever that is. I think in this case we have it here. Oops, that would be the navigation. Let's go back here. Let's see where I put that at. So includes navigation. Okay, that's navigation, and it's called CMS front. See if I remember where I put this, right here. So now if I replace this and just place index there, okay, save it, come back here, and now if I click that, you can see that that is not there. Okay, you can also place a forward slash like this, save, come back here and you click on it. Let's just take that out. Oops. What you want to do actually, let's go back here, is say CMS, just like that. Oops. Excuse me. I have to fix that. As you can see now, it's good. Okay, so let's go and try to get this post here fixed up, so that way you have an idea how we can do this to the other pages. Because once I show you how to do it to this page here, how to replace the query string, because we have a query string here, you're gonna be able to do it for categories or whatever other page you have, right? You're gonna be able to do it for whatever other pages. So I'm gonna show you how to do it for that page, and that way you have an idea how to do it for the rest. So let's get to it. Let's go and let's write something for post. Let's come back here and let's see what we got. So we need to match post.php. Well, we need to match this guy here as well and replace this. Okay, all right, let's go back. Let's see how we can do this. Let's create another rewrite rule. Rewrite rule. And I wanted to start with post. So when you find post, I want you to find, actually, let's just start post.php. Okay. And well, we know that it has p underscore id, and we don't know the value yet, so we're gonna just put that back here. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this so that way you kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. Okay, so I want to match that. Okay, but we can actually even make our own queries. We can make our own URLs here. Okay, so not only are we can match it, but we can replace it and even make entire new URLs if we wanted to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say, well, start like this. Okay, and once you see post, I want you to put a forward slash there. I'm gonna put a parenthesis here like this, and this is the backslash. Okay, and D means digit. So I want you to go ahead and match any digits you got there and save it. You see the parentheses there? Okay, and end it. So I'm gonna end that. I'm gonna end it right here. Let me just bring that back here. It's together. I'm just gonna put a space there. And now, whatever digits you find there, I want you to place them here. And we're gonna use a dollar symbol and 1. Okay. Now, guys, this is just a little bit of regular expressions. And I know it might seem confusing, but once you take my course on regular expression, this is gonna become super easy to understand, and you're gonna be able to do a lot more than what you're seeing right now. This is just the tip of the iceberg. But anyway, so we ended up with, in that case, sensitive and last, and that's it. I think we should be good here. There's nothing else. Make sure you save it. And now, this is 113. Let's go back here. And now if we put post / 113, enter. And as you can see, we get the post, but we're not getting styles. And you might be wondering why that is. I'm going to tell you right now why it is. Well, if you go to header in your front page, right now what you need to do with links, because this is going to break some links, okay? So what you need to do is you need to actually put down your whole relative path here, okay? Right now we have our .ht access right here, okay? We got to tell it, well, that the CSS is coming from this folder and this CSS folder here. So /CMS, and that's it. /CMS, / of course, save it, come back here and refresh that, and voila, it works. You look at that. That looks a lot better than the query string we had, right? And it doesn't affect the speed of the site. Now, one thing that I want to fix is that if we go back to here, if we click here, you can see the URL, the link down here. It has a query string, so we're still getting that. Let's go to index and finish that. Index.php, and right here, instead of actually having all this query string, now we could do this, post /. Come back here, refresh, we click here, and voila. See that? Beautiful. Now, of course, we don't have the image, okay? Let's just, and you might want to work on fixing that as well. Let's come back here real quick. And we need to fix that link. Let me see that. Post that. Okay, we need to fix that. And when I come back on the next lecture, we'll fix that and we get things working. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.